today's video is going to be about my workout routine and my diet plan, like what I eat in a day sort of a thing. This video was highly requested, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I was thinking that I will sit here, put the lights behind, get thoda glammed up and then shoot. But I just got done with the workout and I thought, why not film this video in a different style. So forgive me for the way I'm looking. Okay, so let's start with some disclaimers before I tell you what I eat and how do I work out. Guys, I have no idea about diet. Okay, मैंने किसी भी डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट नहीं किया है. I am doing this according to my body and what my body tells me to do, and I think that's how it should be. Sometimes people take diets and workouts so seriously, and even if they don't want to do it, they just force themselves to do it and they're not happy while they do it, right? That shouldn't be the case. And so whatever I do and whatever I eat is working out for me from past 4 months, and I have seen the difference. That's why it took so long for me to film this video. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys, is that if you're gonna take something from this video and start doing in your daily life, then do it at your own risk. I don't want you guys to suffer because of me. Okay, so the first thing I do is get up in the morning. Obviously now that depends at what time I wake up, but my general time of waking up is around 9:30 to 10-ish. Because I sleep very late, either because I'm doing time pass or I'm editing. Also, whatever I'm doing and showing in this video works out only when I'm not shooting, because when I shoot, my whole timetable is upside down. I eat at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, sometimes I skip lunch. So whatever I'm showing in this video is the non-shoot day. So as soon as I wake up, there is a water bottle right there near my table. So I drink a little bit of water when I wake up. That just helps me wake up. So I drink a little bit of water, and 99% of the time I end up eating 2 biscuits after I brush. Now hear me out, I know you're not supposed to eat or drink a lot before you work out, but that just works out for me because I have tried working out without eating any solid food, and that has given me major acidity and headache. Because एक common sense होता है कि I eat dinner at suppose 10 और 9:30, उसके बाद मैं कुछ थोड़ा बहुत खाती हूँ अगर मैं रात को जाग रही होंगी तो, and then I sleep for around average of 9 hours. I am not eating anything, and then I'm putting my body through an extensive workout. My body is gonna drain, right? So I just like to eat just 2 biscuits, no cookies, no cream biscuits, no chocolate biscuits, just the namkeens like Crack Jack or Monaco. I just eat 2 of them, sit for 10 minutes, do time pass on my phone and start working out. So when I start working out, it's around 10:30, quarter to 11, and as I'm showing in the clip, I use this app. You can use absolutely any app. I like this app because the person talks to me while I do it. He gives me counts and stuff, so it's easy for me to not keep a timer बाजू में and then see कितने time तक मेरा workout चल रहा है. Also, this video is not sponsored by that app. That app doesn't even know that I exist. You can use absolutely any app. So my workout 90% focuses on the core, like your stomach, belly fat, and then bacha hua 10% is like to tone your whole body. Now to warm up my body, I start with Surya Namaskar. Guys, Surya Namaskar is the best for like all your body parts, back, your legs, your stomach, your shoulders, everything. So I do Surya Namaskar. I do 5 sets of them, and then I do butt kicks, as you can see. So butt kicks actually help you to tone the thigh fat which you have and also tone your legs. You can do skipping as well. I used to do that, but मेरी कहाँ चली गई पता नहीं. Like after the renovation, I can't find it, so I just jump like that. I act as if I am skipping with the rope, and I act and I do that. Then comes the actual core workout where I work on my core. So there are a few exercises which are there in the app which I do, and I will be listing them down in the description box, so you can just like refer to them, search about it on Google, and then do it for yourself. raddi behind. My raddi wala has not come and he's not taken the raddi. Let's move forward. Now comes the part when I am done exercising. Guys, let me just put this one more disclaimer that my appetite is extremely low. Like मुझे भूख ही नहीं लगती ज़्यादा. My friends also give me galis because whenever I go out with them, I don't finish a single meal. I end up giving it to them. So that doesn't mean I'm starving myself in this video. That is, I'm just keeping it real. I don't eat much, which is a good thing and a bad thing as well. So yeah, keep that in mind. So after I am done working out, I either eat a fruit or I eat chai biscuit. When I'm filming this video, sadly the mango season is over and I'm so sad. But जब mango season था, I used to eat a whole mango after my workout. But अभी वो नहीं है, तो I end up eating chai biscuit. And ये सब करते करते 12:30 तो बज ही जाते हैं. So it comes to my lunch time anyway, so there is no point in having a heavy breakfast for me. And my lunch time is around from 1 to 1:30. मैं इसमें खाना खा ही लेती हूँ. Now one major change that I have done in my diet is that I have stopped eating junk and rice. So I had these two habits, very bad habits of eating rice सुबह दोपहर शाम. लाइक लिजिट सुबह उठ के भी अगर बिरयानी बनी होगी या बटर चिकन होगा तो मैं सुबह भी राइस खाती थी. आई यूज्ड टू स्किप माई ब्रेकफास्ट एंड आई यूज्ड टू ईट राइस इन द मॉर्निंग, विच वॉज रियली बैड. Then I used to eat junk in the evening. For example, if I have had a nap around say from 3 to 5, तो nap के बाद तो बहुत भूख लगती है. So I used to directly go on Zomato, order fries, chipotle fries, chili cheese fries or waffles. So I've cut down on all these things. मैंने राइस तो ऑलमोस्ट छोड़ ही दिया है, बट कभी कभी बहुत मन होता है बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव फॉलोड माई चैनल सिंस अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम यू वुड नो दिस दैट आई एम अ राइस लवर. तो मैं कभी कभी दोपहर को राइस खा लेती हूँ थोड़ा सा अलॉन्ग विथ चपाती. But रात को I try my best, like 99% of the time I don't eat rice at night. So as I was saying, for my lunch I have a bhaji, salad and 2 chapatis. That's it. Bhajis vary from day to day. कभी veg होता है, कभी non veg होता है. After that I just like either start to edit my videos or go meet my friends or something like that. And then if I am at home and I have slept and taken a nap in the afternoon and I suppose wake up at around 5ish, then I feel hungry again. So घर पे अगर कुछ मम्मा ने बनाया होगा तो अच्छी बात है, otherwise I order. Now I order very healthy food, so most of the times I'm ordering idli or idli vada. It's steamed idli and I eat it with the chutney and it's yummy, it's filling. And I would suggest that if you have this habit, I know a lot of us do this, that शाम को उठने के बाद we Swiggy or we Zomato and we order fries or pizza or burgers. Don't do that. Trust me, I have left eating fries. I know, I never thought I would do that, but it just, honestly, I don't feel anything. I mean, some people are like, how can you stop eating fries? ऐसा नहीं कि fries सामने आए तो मैं ऐसे खुद को बोलती हूँ no, I am on a diet, I won't eat. I eat 2-3 fries, but जो ऐसे हमेशा order करके घर पे अलग अलग मेयोनीज और सॉस डाल के जो मैं मंगाती थी, मैंने वो बंद कर दिया है. Also, let me just put it out there that ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ भी बाहर का नहीं खाती. I do when I go out. I stay away from extremely sweet food like desserts. Waffles was my love, but I have stopped eating that also because I've realized that extreme sugar and extreme oil breaks me out. So ये हो गया शाम का. Now comes रात की बारी. Now हमारे घर पे खाना 8 से 9 में फिनिश हो जाता है रात का. हम बहुत टाइम टू टाइम खाते हैं. लाइक दोपहर को भी 1 बजे सब लोग खाना खा ही लेते हैं और शाम को रात का डिनर ऑल्सो इज फ्रॉम 8 to 9. Nobody eats like after 9:30 or 10 o'clock, never. So sometimes my father does this, that he will chop off a lot of different fruits and feed everybody in the house. तो कभी कभी वो हो जाता है 7 साढ़े 7 को हम ये कर लेते हैं and then थोड़ा लेट 8:30 पौने 9 को डिनर कर लेते हैं. And I love eating fruits except papaya. I hate papaya. Otherwise papaya को छोड़ के मैं सारे fruits खा सकती हूँ, खाती हूँ rather. So include fruits in your diet. Trust me, fruits is like the best thing in the world. Whenever I was doing my fashion shows back then, I used to literally live on fruits because that is something which will not give you acidity and will not make you feel weak. And fruits are available everywhere in your office का canteen, college का canteen, रास्ते पे भी juice मिलते हैं. So please include a lot of fruits and juices in your diet. So in dinner I again eat the same thing, guys. कभी कभी सब्जी change हो जाती है, but most of the time is the same सब्जी what I eat in the afternoon. I know now you guys must be like, क्या यार कुछ खाती नहीं है दिन में, but that is what it is. I mean, I'm gonna keep it very natural, candid and honest. मैं ज़्यादा खाना ही नहीं खाती एंड वो एक्चुअली मेरे पूरे घर में वैसा ही है, सबकी एपेटाइट काफ़ी कम है इफ़ यू कंपेयर इट विद अदर पीपल. सो या वन मोर थिंग, इफ़ यू नो मी you know that I am a chocolate person. And sadly I'm announcing this that I have stopped eating chocolates as well, like Kit Kat, Ferrero Rocher, ओरियो, ये सब जो चॉकलेट्स मैं खाती थी मैंने बंद कर दिया है. फ्रिज में स्टॉक मैंने बंद कर दिया है. अगेन आई एम सेइंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन दैट डाइट डजंट मीन यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विथ योर सेल्फ. कभी कभी हो जाता है मन तो खा लो, मन को मत मारो. लिसन टू योर बॉडी. देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टेप्स विच आई माइट बी डूइंग रॉन्ग लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुक्स, लाइक जो भी बुक्स में लिखा होता है, बट दैट इज वर्किंग आउट फॉर मी एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू शुड बी डूइंग. सी व्हाट योर बॉडी टेल्स यू, सी व्हाट योर फेस टेल्स यू, सी व्हाट योर स्किन टेल्स यू. सो कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक इज दैट मैंने चॉकलेट बहुत कम कर दिया, 90% कम कर दिया है. घर में चॉकलेट नहीं होता तो जेम्स होते हैं जो शेवी के लिए रखते हैं हम लोग. अदरवाइज मैंने किटकैट खाना छोड़ दिया है, फेरो रोशर छोड़ दिया है. ऑल्सो व्हेन आई गो टू स्टारबक्स आई डू नॉट ड्रिंक जावा चिप फ्रैपेचिनो विच वॉज माई फेवरेट. आई स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग द हिबिस्किस एंड पैशन लेमनेड आइस टी विच डज नॉट हैव एनी क्या बोलते हैं चॉकलेट. So that's a good thing and I'm loving that iced tea. And I have this habit of eating again at night, like around say 12ish. जब मुझे बहुत भूख लगती है तो मैं बनाना खा लेती हूँ या फिर मैं वापस वो क्रैक जैक या फिर मोनाको ऐसा कुछ लाइट खा लेती हूँ. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I've tried to like make this video as chill as possible, sitting down. I'm in my घर के clothes जैसे भद्दे से बाल or without makeup and stuff. So let me know if you like such sort of chill videos. Again, I'm repeating this that whatever I've done in this video, diet wise or workout wise, it's not necessary that it has to work out for you. I'm just sharing what I do and what has been working out for me. And yeah, that is it from Manasi Baba and my ज्ञान, थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान मैंने बांटा है ये वीडियो में. So I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.